Light Unveiled, 7 Surprising Science Facts. Please subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Let's dive into some fascinating science facts that can be used to inspire our next marketing campaign. Remember, the key to successful marketing is to create a narrative that resonates with our target audience, and what better way to do that than with the power of science? 1. The speed of light. Light travels at an astounding speed of approximately 186,282 miles per second. This fact can be used to emphasize the speed and efficiency of our services or products. 2. Bioluminescence. Some organisms, like fireflies and certain types of deep-sea creatures, can produce their own light through a process called bioluminescence. This could inspire a campaign around the theme of standing out in the darkness or being a beacon in the industry. 3. Photosynthesis. Plants convert light into energy through photosynthesis. This process could be used as a metaphor for how our company transforms raw data or materials into valuable insights or products. 4. Rainbows. Rainbows are formed when light is refracted, or bent, by droplets of water. This could inspire a campaign about the diversity of our offerings or the various ways customers can benefit from our services. 5. Light therapy. Light therapy is used to treat certain medical conditions, including seasonal affective disorder. This could be used to highlight the healing or beneficial aspects of our products or services. 6. Infrared and ultraviolet light. Beyond the visible spectrum, light also exists in forms like infrared and ultraviolet, which have various uses from remote controls to sterilization. This could inspire a campaign about the unseen benefits of our offerings. 7. Fiber optics. Light can be used to transmit information through fiber optic cables, forming the backbone of modern internet infrastructure. This could be used to emphasize our commitment to staying connected with our customers and providing them with up-to-date information. Remember, these facts are not just interesting tidbits of information. They can be powerful tools in our marketing arsenal, helping us to craft compelling narratives that resonate with our audience and set our brand apart. Let's use the power of science to illuminate our brand's unique value proposition. Thanks for watching.